Morning and good afternoon, kids. This is Teacher Gigi. How are you today? So for today, we're going to learn science. Before that, can you please get your workbook and open it on page 25. Ready? Let's start. So for today, we are going to learn about vertebrates. Again, everybody, can you say vertebrates? Again, vertebrates. Faster. Vertebrates. Very good. So as you can see here in the picture, we have birds, elephant, giraffe, and some cheetah. So what are vertebrates? Okay, so vertebrates are animals with backbones. Again, vertebrates are backbone. So when we say backbone, these bones are in our back. Yes, okay. Can you touch your back? Do you have your... Yes, very good. So again, when we say vertebrates, these are animals that has backbone. So for example, human, we have backbone, frog, bird, mammals. Okay, very good. Vertebrates, 5 groups. Again, vertebrates has 5 groups. So what are those? Number 1, okay, we have fish. Again, number 1, we have fish. Animals. Again, fish are animals. They live in water and through gills. So when we say cold-blooded, these animals can live in water. Again, when cold-blooded, again, can you say cold-blooded? Say cold-blooded, these animals can live in water. So for example, fish, we have guppy, tilapia, and pond. So these examples of fish can live in water. So how do they breathe? Breathe gills. They breathe through their gills. Next, number 2. Okay. Number 2, we have amphibians. Again, everybody, can you say amphibians? Very good. So, amphibians are animals that can live on land and in water. Again, when we say amphibians, these animals can live on land and in water. So, what are the examples of amphibians? Okay, newt and salamander. So, as we all know, frog, when they are little or they are baby, they live in. When they grow up and they become an adult, they can live on land. Animals that can live on land and water. Next, number 3. Number 3, we have reptiles. Okay, number 3, then can you say reptiles? Reptiles. Very good. So reptiles are cold that have hard, dry, and again, reptiles are hard, dry, and scaly skin. So just like amphibians, reptiles can live in land and water. What is the difference between amphibians and reptiles? Okay, sure, we have crocodile, snake, and turtle. So reptiles have hard and skin. Again, reptile and dry skin. But amphibians soft and moist skin. So that is the difference. Reptiles have hard and dry skin. Amphibians have and moist skin. But Amphibians and reptiles are animals that can both live in land and in water. Okay, next, number 4. So number 4 we have birds. Again, number 4 we have birds. So birds are warm-blooded animals. They have 2 legs and a pair of wings. Most of their bodies are covered with feathers. So when we say birds, they are warm-blooded animals. When we say warm-blooded animals, these animals lives on the land. Okay, very good. Again, when it is cold-blooded, they live in water. But when they are warm-blooded, they live in land. Okay, very good. So why does the birds have feathers? Why does birds have feathers? Okay, so feathers helps them to fly and to cover their skin so that it can be warm, so that they can be warm. Again, feathers helps birds to fly and cover their skins to make them warm. Very good. That is birds. And the last one, number 5, we have mammals. So mammals are warm-blooded animals and they breathe with their lungs. They have hair or fur in their bodies. Again, mammals are warm-blooded animals. So birds and mammals are warm-blooded animals. Mammals breathe. Okay, very good. They breathe with their lungs and they have hair or fur in their bodies. So what are the examples of mammals? We have dolphin, goat, and human. So just like us. So we humans are mammals. Okay, very good. Again, what are the 5 groups of vertebrates? We have, we have fish, amphibians, reptiles, and birds. And the last one is mammals. Okay, very good. So what group of animals is cold-blooded? Very good. Fish, amphibians, and reptiles. So again, when we say cold-blooded, these animals can live on water. How about what group of animals are warm-blooded? Again, when we say warm-blooded, these animals lives in land. Okay, what group of animals are warm-blooded? We have birds and mammals. Okay, very good. So now let's try to answer your workbook. So please get your workbook, page 27. Page 27, activity number 3. Okay, on your workbook, please open page 27, activity number 3. So E, F, G, no need to answer. No need to answer. Just number 3. Okay? So number 3, check the correct statements and cross the incorrect statement. So you're going to put check if the statement is correct and put cross if the statement is incorrect or not correct. Okay? So for example, letter A. Most birds can fly with their wings. Most birds can fly with their wings. Is it correct or not correct? What is your answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is very good. It's a check. Okay, just right. Oops. Okay, just right. Correct. Okay. How about letter B? Birds have hard, dry, and scaly skin. Birds have hard, dry, and scaly skin. So, do birds have hard and dry skin? Yes or no? Birds have hard, dry, and scaly skin. Correct or not correct? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is incorrect. Very good. Birds do not have hard, dry, and scaly skin. What do they have? They have feathers. Very good. Okay, so letter C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Try to answer on your own. So this is our lesson for today. I hope you understand. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.